Hello everyone, and welcome to Forms Part 5. In this video, you will learn how to assign resources and users in the Ad-Hoc function. For this video, let's go back to Joe for our practical example. Joe is going back into the form builder to choose who can grade and who can be graded in our example form. An instructor user will grade in this case, and pilot resources will be graded. Additionally, you can have the system pick the resources to be graded for you by setting up requirements. Here we are in the Mint Web Assistant. We're going to head over to Forms and open our form from last time. The purpose of Ad-Hoc is to assign what users can grade and what resources can be graded. The difference between the previous grading I showed you and the Ad-Hoc grading is that Ad-Hoc grading is separate from a scheduled event. You can grade outside of a scheduled class. So the first part we're going to look at is the user groups, our graders. So for our purposes, we want our instructor user groups to be the one signing off on our resources. So we're going to click Instructors and then Add Available. Now you'll see that the instructors show up in selected user groups. Next, we're going to move on to our specific resources, the ones being graded. We're going to click Add Resources. I've already got the location set, so we're just going to select a couple resources and press OK. And now they'll show up down here. Now, there is a way that instead of selecting resources yourself manually, you can let the system do it, and that's done through requirements. Requirements are based on constraints of location, organization, and record items. For example, you could say that you want the specific resources graded that have the requirement of being a captain or being located in Antarctica. We're going to select Captain and then Add Available, just like we did for the user groups, and now it shows up over here. Since we're happy with our Ad-Hoc function assigning, we're going to press OK to save it in the system. Now let's head over to the Mint web portal, log in, and sign off on our form Ad-Hoc. We're going to select the form, select a resource, and open the form. And then we can go ahead and grade. And then we'll select Sign Off, Confirm, and then our job is done. This has been Forms Part 5. Thanks for watching.